Here we go. Second box of Sterling on the night. Box 25, random player style. 80 total spots. Good luck. Here we go. That was a 5. 5 times to get your players. Unknown 409 on the bottom to start. Jade V 1980 up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nang Su number 1 and Frank number 80. I'll do your players in just 1 second. Alright, on to the players. Again, the all other players spot at the bottom. Aaron Judge at top. 1, 2, 3. That's true. 4 and 5. Rod Carew again in the top spot. He was number 1 last time. Derek Jeter in the 80 this time. Alright, alphabetical by your name. See who you got. D-Mark P77 down through Frank. $34 to $66. Still Frank down to Riku Sada. And finish out down through Unknown 409. Alrighty. Let's go. Good luck. I'm not sliding off so easy. World Series champions and postseason performers. Both feel about the same. Bat barrels in each one. World Series champions. The thick one. Maybe some prime. Oh, there is a knob in there. Oh boy. Oh boy. Knob City. Clearly my hand weight is very off because this card is much thinner and does not contain a bat knob in it. Double bat auto George Springer, 12 out of 25. That's gonna be all other. Let's be on any other player spot. George Springer does not have his own spot on the list. Interesting. Greg Maddux. There's no George Springer there. So the any other players is Sack Kings R1. Drum roll, please. Thanks, Rick. Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to reveal it, but I saw who it is already. It's a freaking monster. And unfortunately, this card cannot be autographed because the player has passed. Wow, man. This is really good, guys. This is really good. Wow! And because the player can't sign because he's deceased, Imran, it came true. You got both cards this time. Any other players? Hammer and Hank Aaron. Wow. Congratulations, Imran. Look at that monster hit right there. What a card. Dang, that is great. Alright, guys and gals, that's our break. Imran swept it. George Springer autograph and a Hank Aaron bat knob. That is sick. Thanks for watching and joining. Next time. Peace.